Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of cancelling your SeaWorld membership. I will be sharing my screen so you can easily follow along. Let's dive right in. The first step is logging to your account. First, you will need to log into your SeaWorld account. Open your preferred browser and head over to SeaWorld's official website. Once you are there, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Secondly, access your account details. Once you have signed in, you will want to navigate to the My Account section. You can do this by clicking on your name or the profile icon, which will be in the same top right area. Ensure no outstanding payments. Make sure you have no overdue payments on your account. Log in with your email and password to check and pay off any outstanding amounts. Now head to the main step, request cancellation. While logging into your account, visit this link. It's called SeaWorld EZ Pay cancellation page to request the cancellation of your membership. The last step is confirm email. After submitting your cancellation request, you will receive a confirmation email detailing the cancellation and its effective date. Now, if you encounter any issues or prefer to speak with someone, you can contact SeaWorld's call center. For Orland, call to 407-545-555 and 0. And for San Antonio, call 210-520-4732. Please note that there are no partial refunds when cancelling a pass unless you are converting it into a new one. This warnings came from SeaWorld's official website. Now that's it. You have successfully cancelled your SeaWorld membership. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.